Hello and welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a super delicious recipe for a homemade healthier Snickers bar. Guys, this recipe went viral on social media and I thought I'm gonna provide that for my guys also. Let's get to work. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description box down below. For this recipe, you're going to need delicious dates. I have here Persian, very ripe, dark brown dates. I also have salted and roasted peanuts, huge pinch of salt, chocolate, and peanut butter. Oh my gosh, this recipe is already killing me. I just love Snickers and I love the healthy version even more.
Hallo Mama. Oh, Dattel.
Magst du?
Wie lecker. Darf ich?
Ja, natürlich.
Dankeschön.
Mom and I, we just love dates. We are Persian, hence we have always dates as staple at home. And I don't know if you guys can remember, but I'm gonna definitely put the link down below. We already have a recipe with dates and Snickers bars where we made kind of like a one bite solution with dates and peanut butter. So go and check out that link because these guys are also very beautiful. I think they even look better than this kind of appearance, but this one is just super delicious, gooey, chunky. I mean, why just either one? We could just have both. I mean, what we're gonna do meanwhile is we're gonna take the seeds out and then just press all the dates next to each other on a parchment paper. That is the step number one. Step number two is the peanut butter. I have here a delicious chunky one. I like the ones with a little crisp in it. And then just make sure you just spread the peanut butter evenly on your dates. Back in 2019, I went to the Everest. And one of my staple foods was definitely the Snickers and the peanut butter. So I really love this combination of peanut butter, chocolate, and it just gets better when you add the dates. It's just perfect. Super gooey, super heartwarming, and obviously gives you a lot of energy for your workout and for your day. Peanuts and dates are full of minerals and protein and good carbs to just boost your energy levels. But it's also important to understand a good balance for your overall calorie intake during the day. That means you should be in balance with your output and your input. Make sure you move a lot or just portion size wisely when you indulge in this kind of foods. Write me in the comment sections and let me know what kind of information you would love to have about this topic, and I am more than happy to create a video for you. Now, meanwhile, you can see I am melting the chocolate in little steps till it looks like this. I use the microwave. You could obviously also use a water bath. Next, we are ready to go for the next step, which is a little bit of pinch of salt, because this will make your Snickers bar taste just different, unique, and overall absolutely like salted caramel kind of. And I just love that taste. You go for the amount that you like. Create the bars kind of like more with an individual touch, because cooking is all about being creative. Now I just put all the nuts that I could find, all the peanuts, on top of the salt layer, and last but not least, it's time to spread out the chocolate evenly on every corner of this bar. We want everything covered with chocolate. Hence, I just stopped using the tablespoon and just used the entire bowl, as you can see. Oh, look at this deliciousness. Guys, there is something very satisfying about chocolate. I can't tell you, but I mean, I'm sure you know what I mean. Now, once all your chocolate is on top of your little creation here, just spread it evenly and then we are almost done. We just unfortunately need then to wait at least half an hour till everything just gets hard in the fridge and we actually are ready to indulge in our delicious Snickers bars. And because I really love the combination of salt and sweet, I just even added some salt on top of the chocolate. This is absolutely optional. I wrapped my bars a little bit up and now just put it into the fridge for at least half an hour. I went longer. I put it about 2 hours in and this is the result. Chocolate is super hard, rock solid, and it's time to portion size here. Just cut your bars into the squares or size that you like and that appear good for you. I just took this measurement, as you can see. So that is for me an optimal portion of a treat in the evening when I feel like cravings for something sweet, or as a pre-workout meal, or as a little breakfast replacement. If I feel like I'm not really hungry and I don't want to have a proper breakfast, then I would just have one of these with a coffee and then have my breakfast later on. Guys, try the recipe out. Let me know what you think. Also write in the comment section what other recipes you would like to have. And now it's time to indulge in this deliciousness, and I'm very curious of the reaction of Mom. Hello, welcome back, guys. Salam, Mama.
Salam, Dozy. Salam,
Yes. Guys, today we made delicious, healthy Snickers bars. Look at this. I mean, seriously, Mama. اینا مثلا سلامتن. First of all, the smell, guys, this smells heavenly. Wow. I mean, you can smell the calories and the chocolate and the date. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Mama, نوش جون.
مرسی مرسی. دست شما درد نکنه.
Wow.
سلامتی شما.
This looks really good.
Wow.
Okie dokie. Ready?
بادوما هوس‌انگیزن.
آره. Okay, let's start. Guys, amazing. Cheers.
توی ایران بهترین خرماها رو دارین، درست کنین، لذتش رو ببرین.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Dates. Mom love dates. Cheers.
Cheers. به از این بادوما. چه مزه‌ای بچه‌ها.
Guys.
شکلات با کمی نمک.
Wow. The salty flavor, Mom said, is just delicious. When you have the chocolate and those crunchy peanuts with a little bit of salt, it's really, really delicious. Try it out.
جای همگی خالی.
Wow, Mama.
دستت درد نکنه.
نوش جون.
Wow.
Super, super, super easy to make, guys. Fast, delicious. What are you waiting for? Go for it. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching us. Mom, merci go buddy. That's what your mom dad نکنه.
خوشمزه رو درست کردی. دست درد نکنه.
Dankeschön. Bye guys, try it out.
Tschüss. به سلامت.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.